Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to use Archicad for design of single story villa, and their staircase can be double story. First of all, we will start with the walls. Here in tools, wall, and also we can find it here in design, wall here in the horizontal menu, or here in the tools in the left side of the program. We will start with a wall here. For this villa, we have 3 steps. After that, we will reach the ground floor level, and our slab is 20 centimeters. So the clear height for the villa, we will use 3 meters. So the total height from 0 level to the top of the slab will be 3650 for this villa. We will make it here. We will use not linked here. Here from 0 level, the height will be 3650. Here we are using millimeters. And here in the wall type, we will use this third one. The thickness of the wall, we will use 20 millimeters. Here we can use the finishing from the library of the program itself. We will use glossy paint, white, glossy white here. Glossy white for all. Here this is the front side. Here in the inside, this is the edges for the wall. We will click OK. We will start from the corner here. Our villa is contained of 3 bedrooms. This is the first room, second room, and this is the third room. And there is a hall here in the middle of the villa. And in the right side here we have majlis. In Arabic we call it majlis, and it is a reception. Normally for gents, but we can use it for all type of guests, women, gents, everything. Here we will start with this corner to make the walls. We will continue here. We have recess for the entrance. Then we can continue here. When we reach this point, we have arch. We will go here for these options. We will choose each one here. If we use to draw circle from the center of it, here we can use 3 points, and here also we can draw it by define tangent, but here we will use 3 points. It is the easiest one. Here we will use this one, 3 points, and we will make the 3 points. Click on the 3 points, and our arch will be like this. Then we will go to continue in straight lines here. We will continue, and here when we reach here, we will close the shape. When we go to 3D, it will be like this. This is our shape. This is the outside walls. Then we will go to inside walls here. Here you prefer to use pen set conceptual, because it give me this gray. I like this gray color. Again, we will go to wall. Here our walls are all straight, so no need to use the arch or something here. From this to this, here we can use copy option. Click right side, we move, we choose move, and then drag a copy. Because here we have too many walls, we will use drag multiple copies. Here multiple copies, we will use it and copy it in all vertical walls like this. All our vertical walls because it make our work easier when we make a copy like this instead of draw wall from the beginning. Here we will finish the vertical walls and then we will go to the horizontal walls. Here we can copy the horizontal one, this one, multiple copies also. We will copy in all the horizontal. Our first drawing was in 2D drawings. Here now we finish it. For this one we can extend this one only like this. We will here also we'll drag it back side, and for this one we can extend either from this one or the other one here, this wall, and here also to extend it till there is perpendicular sign, small one. Here we can use it to be sure that it is perpendicular, not tilted here or there. Here this one is extra. We will cut it here. We will choose the horizontal line here or the wall, and we will use this cut here like this. Here also we will choose the wall and cut it like this. Here this one we will cut it from the other side. We should cut it from here like this. Here this one we will choose the vertical wall and then choose the line we want to cut. Here we will cut all this and this one. Now we finished our walls and we can see it in 3D. It will be like this. This is walls. We will make our slab, 0 level slab. Here we will go to slab here. It is in the 0 level. Here we will use this normal slab. The thickness is 20 millimeters also, and we can use here this one. We will the top side of the slab and the bottom side and the edges of the slab. Here for the top, the finish, we will use it. I will choose any tile. This is the program materials, as I said before. We can use any tile type. Here for the slabs, we have many options. This one for continuous shape. If we have not normal shape, we can use this. If we have curve, for example, like this here, we will make the curve. And here we go back to the straight line like this. And if we have normal shape like this here, for example, rectangle or circle, or for rectangular shapes, we can use this one here, only rectangle. We will go to 3D and see this is our shape. Here for the villa slab itself, we will go to slab again, and here, as I said before, we have elevated 45 centimeters from the 0 level. So we will write here 45 centimeters and 454 millimeters. We will change the finish, tile finish. For example, here we can use this one marble white inside the villa, and we go to this one, geometry method. This one, polygonal here. This one we can use it and draw the inside tiles. Of course, it will be in the inner side of the wall, like this. Here we will follow our walls here, and the slab is the same as the wall. Here we have to choose 3 points or other options. Here arc by 3 points. We will use it here in the arc, here outside. Back we go to straight lines and we finish our shape. It will be like this. We can see it in 3D here. We use this white marble here, like this. Now we will go to the openings. Here for the doors, we go to tools, door option here. We have many types of doors here. For example, 1 leaf, 2 leaves, or glass, or any finishing material. Here we will use this one. And here also we can see it in plan or elevation or 3D. We will go to 3D because we want to, to change the materials. Here, this is by default it is glass panel. So we will change it to wood. Here we can choose any type of this doors. Here we have many types. We can use this 15 door. We go to handle. Also we have many options of handle. We can use handle 7 for example. And here if we want more details, we can use full details. And here we can change our door settings here. Here this if we want it open in the 3D, we can use this open angle 90 or 45 or anything. Here also if we want it to be open in 2D, we can use the angle. Here this lines here, as we see it here in 3D and in the orange color, we didn't want it to be in the 3D, so we can make it we will not use command here. By default, the door finishing material was wood, so we will change it to another material. For example, paint, blue paint. Normally I use it. We change here all the door frame and the panel, everything we will change. And here, if you go to 3D, the door is changed, only the outside the frame is not changed to our color. So you will go here, there is another option for here, this one. We will change it also. We go to our door. Now it is okay, everything is okay. We say okay. Here we will arrange it in our plan like this. When we click here, there is many options if you want to open it outside, inside, like this. Here we will, this door dimension here, dimension, it is 90 and it is elevated 100 millimeter. We will change it to our level, it is 450 millimeters, and here the height is okay, 2100. Okay, we will change the door width by to 1 meter, 1000 millimeters. Okay, here all doors like this. Only the bathroom doors, it is only 800. We will use it. Here we will change it to 1000, and here for 45 centimeters. Here like this. Here we have this 2D shapes in hidden. We go to layer, document, layer, layers. We will here this lines, the first lines here we draw. It is in document layer. Its layer was 2D drafting. We will hide it. Yes, because we want to see our new drawing, the wall. Here this door is again we go to door, the same settings, only will change for 5. Here the width 100 centimeter. Again here we will make this door, and this is the room door, inside door. Now for the bathrooms we will make it 100 centimeters, and then we will change it to 800 millimeter. I mean 80 centimeter. Here this our kitchen. We can open it outside if we want it to be outside the villa, or we can make it here. This is the 2 rooms, and this is the bathroom between them. And this is a majlis door here, going to the kitchen. Here this is outside door for the majlis. Here this is a hall, main hall. This is the door. Okay, here there is openings, arches. Here we will arrange it also. Here we go to door, and this is there is one option here, door. There is option indoors called empty door openings. We will choose it, and here there is many options for this one. If top arch, top many shapes, or it is here straight like this, we will choose it. And our opening, we want it 100 millimeters, 1 meter here. Okay, this one. Here, this one. And here between majlis and bathroom also. And here we go to door. Here this is the room. Door is here. This room door, we can make a mirror a copy for that door, for this room door. And here of course it is not a door. Here it is only opening. The door is here opening to this corridor. Then the arch will lead us to the room. Here we go to door, empty opening. Okay, like this. You can see it in 3D. This is our doors. Here we can see this orange color. If you didn't want it to be appear in the 3D, we can go to view, 3D view options. We will go to 3D styles. Here we have option show contours line. We will hide it. So we will hide the contours. It will be like this. Here we can change the floor material because our walls are white. Here we have marble pink. We have limestone fine. We can use this limestone. No, it is not nice. We can try granite gray. It's okay. It's better, I think. So this is our openings and windows and doors. Sorry. Here we have arch. We go back to plan and we choose openings. We go back to openings. Here, this one we can choose arch for this because it is big here. The width of it we can choose 2.5 meters here. In this option here we can see it is not circular. There is it is lines. So we go to the settings and we change the curve resolution. Now it is only 24. We can make 200 or more for the shape to be arched. We can go back and see it. Now it is better than before. Okay, we can arrange it here. In plan, if we want it less, we can change it from here, from the program panel, outside panel. 200 is okay, because we didn't to see the inside the house here, so we can make it 2 or less. You can try 150 when maybe this is better, or we can shift this arch little bit right here, because we didn't to see behind this wall here for the privacy of these areas. Here, for some people, they didn't care too much about privacy. This wall can be, they can make it without this wall. No need. In some designs here, this wall is this corridor is 1.2. Here we can delete this wall, or we can keep it according to family lifestyle. If they want more privacy, they can make it, or if they want more space, they can delete it. Here we can check the dimension for this hole. It is 4 meter point 5. Here, because we want more accurate, we can shift it 21, little bit inside, because we want it accurate 4.5. Yes, like this. Here, okay, we can see in 3D. It's like this. This doors and openings. It is like this. Here. Now we are going to make the windows. We go to window here. As I said before, our window, our level, inside level is 45 centimeters, and plus the window level, it can be 80 centimeters or 90 or 100. We can use it 100 plus that 45 centimeters. The level from 0 level will be 1,450 here. 1,450 from 0 level. And the window itself, we can use 120. And the width of we can use this here, many types of windows. We can use sliding window. And here, the width of the sliding window, here, we can use 2 meters here. And the height 1.2. Here we go to window settings. We have many settings of this window. If we want handle, we can make it here. If we want to divide the glass itself, it's possible. Everything we can change here in this design. Here, if we want to opening in 3D, we can use, for example, 30 centimeters here for the opening to make it real. It seems real like this here. We make opening here. And we go for more settings. Here we change, as we change the doors to the blue color here for the windows. We can see it here. It's okay. Now we can arrange it in our plan here and here and here for the majlis. For the kitchen, we can arrange it like this, and now we can, after that we can minimize the size, because the size of the window, because here we have a cupboard in top, so the window will disturb it, so we will minimize the window width. Here for this room we can use 2 windows for better ventilation. And this is a staircase here, this area. Here we can use this window also. Here we can make this connect these two by this intersect here like this. Here I will go to our window. We want to make this window here for the hall. And we have this bathrooms. We need small windows for it. We go back to windows and we choose another type of windows. Here we have basic windows, this type or another type here. Here bay windows, here single double hinge. Here we can use this one, and we can change the level. For example, we can use 2 meters from 0 level, so inside it will be 140 inside. Here we can change the height 60 millimeter and also the width 600 means 60 centimeters. We can change the settings also for the window. Here the opening, we can remove the opening line, and here the opening we can choose, for example, only 100 millimeter. You can see it will be like this small opening. It will give motion for the 3D. Here also we will change the material, window material, like this, and we can see it is okay. So we can arrange it here in our plan in this 3 bathrooms, here and here. Here for this majlis bathroom it is only 120 because we didn't have shower here for this bathroom because it is guest bathroom. Here for this rooms we have the width is 1.5 by 2.4, it's okay. And for this master's room it is 1.8 by 2.4, also it is okay. So here we will see in 3D, we see the openings. Now we have to arrange steps here in this area. Here we go back to layer and we make it on drafting because we want to see the steps. We go to slab here. We choose levels of the slab. For the last step is 450. Here the slab of the steps is 150. And finishing, we choose the same finishing of the villa, granite gray. We use here for all sides of the step, granite gray, stone. Okay, here we will follow these lines to arrange the steps here. Here when this black pen mean the shape can be closed here in this point. Here you can make copy, move, drag a copy for this one and change the level to 300 here and the same slab thickness. We move it back to its original position, and we can make here offset here. We can extend it up to the position of the step. Again, we make drag a copy. We change the height to 150. Okay, and we move it back to the previous position, and also we will extend it to the first step because the first step height is 150. And here also for the last step, this one, the level is this step. Here we can go to document and the layer. We can close the layer of 2 drafting. Here for this one, we can shift it up to here because this area should belong even to the inside finishing or to the outside finishing here. We go to 3D. Now this is our steps, outside steps. Now we have to make the top slab, the roof, we can make also copy. Move, drag a copy here for this one and change the level. The level will be 650 here for the top slab. We move it here back to the position, and from this we make extension here. If we click here, there is many options appear here. We will use this one, offset all edges. We will choose it, and if we want to extend the roof from the villa, we can use it like this. If we want it in the walls, align with the walls, we can make it here. Now we can change this top slab to our color. Here, this one. We say OK. We go to 3D. Now this is our roof. Here only one thing, we didn't make windows for the curved side here. We go back to windows here, and here we have only one option for the curved window. For the curved window that we will arrange it in the curved wall here, windows here. We go to special windows here. This we have only one curved window. We can choose it, and as we made before, the level is 145. The height of the window itself is 120. We can make it 1.2. Okay, because we have many windows here in this. We will make many windows in this shape. Here we change the material here. We will go to see it. Okay, here because it is big space, big span here, we can change, we can divide it like this. We can divide the panels. Here it will be like this. Say OK. Here the window will be aligned to the wall. But if we choose normal window, the window will not be aligned like this. Here this is our 3 windows. We can see it in 3D. It will be like this. Now only one thing we want to do is to the staircase here. Here we have 2.5 the width of the stair, and here the space is 4 meters. We will go and make again we will make drafting lines to see the stair. Here we will go to stair. We will choose it, and we have our level is 450. And the floor itself height 3.2 meters. So we will make, if we want less step riser, we will make this 160, 16 centimeters. And if we want more height of the step, we can use 20. So we have 16 steps, but now we have 20 steps. Okay, here also we can use if we want 100 or no. Here we can choose it from this option. Here we will go to our plan and arrange the staircase here. This is our staircase. Here the going is 28 centimeters. We can click on the stair, and if we want to arrange anything here, we can arrange it. If, for example, we want the going to be less or more, we can change it here. But now it's okay to 2.8. Here, this we can extend we can make extension here for the villa, for the staircase. Here we can extend our walls here. Or we can make walls for the staircase. Here and here a wall. We can make wall for the staircase. Here we can cut this one. We can cut this wall like this. And here in our slab, our top slab, this one, we will make the opening in the slab for the staircase. Here we will use this to create points in the slab so that we can cut it here. We will move this slab by this option, offset edge. Here we move our slab up to here because it is opening in this area. So we go to 3D. This is our staircase here, and this is our slab like this. Here we have the steps of the majlis. Here we will make it slab. Here rectangle. This is the first one here. The height is 45, and the second one, the height is 300. We will make it here. And the third one, the height is 150. We will make it here. So this is our majlis steps. This one the last one we can extend it here. Here we can hide the 2D lines. We can close the layer. We will extend this one to here, up to here. So this is the majlis steps. We can make handrail here for this one. And here we will arrange this is our staircase. We are going up from here. We will shift it because here we have this door. So we will make mirror for the staircase. And we will shift it back to its normal position. Here, because we have this door here, yes, so we shift the staircase. Here we have opening. In this area we didn't arrange it. Opening. This empty opening here. 100. We go to 3D and see what is happening inside. This is the staircase, and this is the kitchen door. We have to move it a little bit or minimize Now we move it, and so also we move it from in plan here, little bit backside here. Now it is okay. We make it like this. After we can change the materials of the staircase here if you want, but now it is okay here. Here, this is our design now. The only thing left is to make to go to the first floor here and to make the wheel of the staircase. We will go to wall and choose level. Here will be in the 0 level. The height of the first floor should be 3.2 meters here for the walls. Here because we are starting from 0 level, not from 45 centimeters as the ground floor. This is our, you can see it from outside. This is our stair room. We go back to first floor and we make the walls here. Again, wall. We go to height of the wall. It will be 1000, mean 1 meter. Here we will make parapet for this villa. Here we will follow the villa lines like this. Here 3 points, we go to our 3 points for the wall, back to the straight line. Here we cut it here and continue like this. This is our parapet. The parapet will start from 0 level and the story level. Here for the first, no, here not 303, 650 here. Here, this may be from settings. We go to plan. The players here. The floor height is 3650 and the second one is 3.2. Okay. Yes, now our walls in the right position. Here, this one we extend it backside here because here we have our wall is here, ended here. Now it is okay. Now we have to make the roof of the stairwell. We go to first floor and make it here slab. The level of slab is 3.2. The slab itself is 20 millimeters. Okay. Make it here and we can extend it in offset on all sides like this. And we can change the material here to be blue as the ground floor. This is our top slab. Now if our villa is finished, we can make a tour inside. And see what we design. This is a hall with the window. We can change the level of this window to be more big. Here you can change it. Here, this is our rooms inside. This is our bathroom. This is the first room. This is the second one with the 2 windows, excellent ventilation and lighting, natural ventilation and natural lighting here. This is the bathroom for the master's bedroom, and this is the master's bedroom itself. Also 2 big windows here. We go back, and this is the lobby for the bathroom as we see it in the plan. This is our staircase, and here this is a majlis. Here this is our reception room. This is the reception room, and this is the outside door. This door leads us to the outside. We didn't make handrail because we want to save time. Here, this is the kitchen. Here, because if some people didn't want the smell of the food, so this arch we can arrange it as a door in plan here, like this in ground floor. I mean this door we can, now it is already door, okay. Now it is, we close 2D. It is opening, we can make it door, this opening here. Now we finish this villa. The only thing we want to do is to have to make render to show the final look for the villa. Here we didn't arrange the lights or furniture or anything of this because it will take time. Now we can make quick render. For the villa. Render here. We can close and open when we finish the render. This is the final look for our villa. I hope you like it and thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala.